So, in this Learn Clojure video, let's look at a thing called filter. So what is filter? Yeah, I'll explain as I go, right? So let me just put a new file, save it as filter.clj. And yes, let's look at this code over here, right? So first you've got a thing called range 1 to 11. So let me just execute it over here, right? So it gives like, okay, numbers from 1 to 10. Don't ask me why it doesn't include 11. I don't know. Like that's how it has been coded, right? So that's the thing. And uh, and don't ask me why. Okay, if it doesn't include 11, why it includes 1, and why it doesn't start from 2. Okay, right? Don't ask me all those things. I don't know, right? So that's the thing. So now, what happens is like, okay, if you say like put like odd 1, right? It becomes true. Okay, so if you put odd uh, odd 2, it becomes false. Okay, so what this filter does is to whatever value this odd is true, okay, that is like 1, 3, 5, and so on, it just picks it up. Okay, so that's the thing. Let me just execute it. So yeah, you just look like one, you just get like okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? So this what filter does. Okay, out of a sequence, it just filters out a few things that or things that satisfy a particular condition. Okay, so the condition you can pass it as a function, right? So that's how it is. Now let's look at even, right? So you just have even over here, right? So this is just going to filter out all those things that are not odd. Okay, so it just takes out the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, right? So that's how it is. And yeah, over here, look at this one. We pass an anonymous function. So this function argument has been represented as percentage, and if it's greater than 5, this filter is going to filter it. So we are going to get all those numbers that is greater than 5, right? So that's the thing. So you get like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's how it is. And okay, now you just reverse the arguments, right? So you get numbers. Okay, if 5 is greater than that number, you get that number. Okay, so that means it's actually less than 5. Okay, so over here you just get like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 should be greater than that number. So 5 is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4, right? So you just get those numbers, right? So that's how it is. And yeah, of course, I'm passing a function over here. Like there are two ways to put an anonymous function. Like one is like this one, and another one is like this one, right? So that is like using the fn argument, right? So that's how it is. And yeah, you can also define it like this one, and it's greater than 5, and then you can give it to filter. Still it will filter greater than 5. Okay, so that's how filter works. Okay, so whichever numbers in the sequence, like 1 to 10, uh, when passed to a function gives true, that thing gets filtered out. Okay, another one I just want to do, like, excuse me if it doesn't yeah, come right. Okay, so okay, I just want to do okay, something like this. Like, okay, like I just want to check whether def works over here. So, so def my filter, and to this we just give an anonymous function. I don't think I've written something like this. Like I've just put like fn and just written, right? Okay, so So this will filter all numbers that is less than 5. Okay. Sorry, like any number that is less than 5, yeah, it's going to get filtered out. Okay, so oops, not sure what happened. Okay, like option enter. I think I hit control enter, right? So now I'll just give like, okay, filter, my filter, and this one, and it works. Okay, so yeah, this is a very convenient way of even defining a function rather than putting fn and all those things. This is another convenient way of defining a function, like putting this hash and whatever. So that's the thing. So yeah, this is about filter. This is a short video because filter is very straightforward and very easy to explain. So until we meet in next video,